Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, why am I seeing bugs in my pantry? If you're seeing bugs in your pantry, you're probably seeing stored product pest or pantry pest. And no, I'm not talking about someone raiding your pantry in the middle of the night. What I'm referring to are weevils, sawtooth grain beetles, drugstore beetles, and Indian meal moths, just to name a few. These are insects that live and feed inside of dried goods, such as cereal, rice, flour, or other grains. So why are you seeing them? Well, you probably brought them in from the grocery store. They typically come in sealed packages, and you won't know that they're there until days or weeks later, and now you'll have a full-blown infestation. Good news is you can get rid of them by removing their food source and treating with high-quality products. Now, in the pantry, make sure that you inspect everything. These little guys can be very sneaky. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. These are insects that live and feed in dried foods. I was so close, man. I'm so close, bro. Okay.